Thank you for having these hearings. I think they're critically important. I want to go back and touch on what is the main issue that wasn't addressed in my view. I know you were talking about money, and that's important. But in terms of delivering emergency services as quickly as possible, the Bloomberg administration in 2009 went to UCT. And prior to that, as soon as a call came in for the fire department, whether it was a report of a fire or a medical emergency, the operator would say, "What is your emergency?" And the caller would say, "I want to report a fire." They'd say, "Hang on, where are you calling from? What borough?" And transfer the call to the fire alarm dispatchers of the appropriate borough. That took 5 or 6 seconds. Now, the Bloomberg administration didn't have the ability to count those 5 or 6 seconds, so they were never part of the quote-unquote total response time. They decided, in their wisdom, let's have the 911 operators do the interrogation, because since we don't count that time, it doesn't matter. There's a new administration. They're 14 months in, and they still haven't figured out a way to say, what is your emergency? And when that answer comes that it's the fire department, dispatch immediately transfer that call to fire alarm dispatchers. I want the committee to know that they currently have 2 people handling 1 phone call. The 911 call, the 911 police call taker does the interrogation, then sends the information to the fire department dispatcher. It takes them about 1 minute and 20 seconds, which is way too long. And then the fire alarm dispatcher gets conferenced in. The fire alarm dispatcher has to look at the information and send it out, send the appropriate units. It's not working. And why would you ever have 2 people, 2 city employees handling 1 phone call? If they simply have a pilot program that says, what is your emergency? And the fire department only gets 9% of the 100% of calls that come in. Transfer those 9% of calls to the fire alarm dispatchers. I don't represent them, but they are experts and specialists in dealing with fire and medical emergency. Transfer them immediately. You will lower response times. The firefighters will be responding with better information, which is critical to us. And we need to get there sooner to save lives, and by the way, to make our jobs a little bit less dangerous.
I cannot understand how this recommendation that the President is making here is why it's not implemented. This is a loss of time, critical time. Seconds could mean someone's life. So we as a council, I know, have had oversight, and we even enacted some legislation. Do you have any recommendations?
I would like the entire council to tell the administration that they should, at an absolute minimum, have a pilot program. And it's very simple. You can look at response times before UCT, they were lower. You can listen to phone calls that took place back then and listen to the 911 operators say, what's your emergency? And when somebody says, I want to report a fire, what borough are you calling from? Manhattan, hold on, and transfer the call. It's 5 seconds. Seconds count, whether it's a heart attack or a medical emergency of some kind or a fire. And all they have to do is have a pilot program. By the way, virtually everybody in the New York City Fire Department knows that the old system was better. Right? They're not allowed to say that, but virtually everybody in the fire department knows that. No administration will allow their team to contradict what they're saying. But I'm saying to all of you, a pilot program, back to the way it used to be, will get better results. I don't even think it's a debate, but you should insist that it happen so that we can quickly decide whether or not we're right or wrong.